Jeevitam is a tech-enabled livelihood platform. We help vulnerable segments, जिनको हम gig economy workers बोलते हैं, blue-collar workers, migrant workers. We help this segment, and also entry-level work seekers. Students coming from various colleges. Especially, our focus is on the tier. I don't call it tier 2, non-metro cities. Let me call it small towns, small villages, small cities in the country, where these students are coming out of their colleges. We help them find livelihood. हम लोगों को काम दिलवाते हैं. Livelihood means work opportunities, work for yourself, work for someone. We are a startup. And we are disrupting this space. Jeevitam came in existence in September 2019. Oyo was our first client we worked with, and since then we have not looked back. And today Jeevitam has around 1.6 crores work seekers on the platform. In the next few months, we'll have around 4 crore work seekers on the platform. And our platform works in 21 Indian languages. Soon it is going to work in 35 Indian languages. So we are a startup. We are a disruptive startup. We have this aspiration to become a unicorn. In India, we have around 51 unicorns in India. You have seen in the last few months, a lot of unicorns and the fundraise you keep reading in the newspapers. So we are living that journey of a startup. How we are different, how we are a startup, what is that unique, what is that secret sauce which is making us have this fast-paced high growth trajectory, and how I'm looking at 1.6 crores to 4 crores. So our secret sauce is very simple. When we looked around, we saw the vulnerable segment had 3 attributes. One, they were not so educated. Second, they did not have access to internet or smartphone, or they wanted to speak, they did not know how to operate it. Third, they wanted to speak in their native language. India is a diverse country. If you go to interiors of Tamil Nadu, you want people to be spoken in Tamil. If you go to interiors of West Bengal, people want to be spoken in Bengali. If you go to the interiors of Gujarat, they want to be spoken in Gujarati. So we have this language. So this is what we required. We saw that these vulnerable segments, जिनको हम migrant workers बोलते हैं, blue collar workers बोलते हैं, जिनको the way migrant workers and entry level work seekers, they have these 3 attributes. So हमने कहा, the traditional way of hiring, website or app, will not work for them. We really very clearly realized, and we realized it very fast. Because when we hiring for Oyo, we saw, if they are not so educated, how will they go on a website or an app? Okay. If they do not have access to internet, smartphone, or they cannot go to a website or an app. If they want to be spoken in their native language, the whole, there are not many websites and apps which are multilingual. So we said website and app is not the solution for this segment. So what is the solution? We came into a solution, voice-based solution. Google बोलता है बोलने से होगा, हम कहते हैं बोलने से होता है, and we proved it. Okay. So what we said was, पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता, बोलना आता है. इंटरनेट स्मार्टफोन नहीं है, एनालॉग फोन है. 50 करोड़ people in India still do not have smartphones. And अपनी भाषा में तो हमने 21 language में we have launched this platform. So if you are looking for work, we have made your life simple, very easy. Call करो, register करो, और now earlier used to say जरूरी time, मनचाही जगह पर मनचाहा काम पाओ. Now in the crisis we are saying जरूरी time पे जरूरी काम पाओ. That's it. We made it so simple. And that's how, when people started calling IVR registration, call and register is the technology which we use. So when we were using this call and register technology, okay, that's why we started finding out, that yes, people who were finding livelihood, they are very community seekers. Mera dost, mera bhai, mera gaon wala. And they started sharing this number with everyone. And here we were finding that, there were restrictions happening. You go to our website, we have any restriction through this website, because we said, they can't access website and app is there. We do not have any app. So how did we become 1.6 crores? Call karo, register karo, or zaruri time pe zaruri kaam ho. So that was a differentiator.